Hi everybody, it's Sharon, and I thought I would come on and show you guys how to apply this product. Not sure it's coming across. This is the glass and tile medium from Folk Art, and I'm going to show you how to correctly apply it to vinyl. Now, like I said, this is old. This is very old. So what I do, it has a little bit of liquid in it, and you're going to see in a minute what I mean by that. So if you pour it, see how liquidy it is? You want some of that. But you also want some of the stuff that settles to the bottom. Not this much. That's quite a bit. But you see how thick it is? So you take the brush, brush it off. I use a letter opener because it works for me. Alright, I'm going to continue. Wipe this off to show you how to do it so that it doesn't crack, it doesn't peel, and it does not chip on vinyl, but you have to apply it correctly. As you can see, I have a little bit of water here, and I have a little bit of flesh color here. So this is also pretty old. I'm not doing this much anymore, guys. So you don't want to apply anything to your doll without first using some water. I'm just going to take a little dab of this color, put it on here. This is some kind of flesh color by Ceramco Delta, which is also a good brand. And as you can see, I'm really pouncing it in there, making a foam, and it's thick right now. So you got to add a little bit of water. Now you can see how little I'm adding, and you don't want to do too much at one time because you can't take it out once you put it in. You want to go slowly, all right? And when you brush it against the glass, the bubbles will go away, by the way. They will go away. It should look like the consistency of milk. And the biggest problem that people have with doing a doll is doing it too quickly and putting on thick layers of paint, not letting them cure for at least a day, and then putting on top of that a thick layer of medium with a brush. You never want to do that because it'll lay on top of the vinyl. It won't do what you want it to do, which is you want it to stick to the vinyl, and you want to give it a long time to dry before you put another layer on. And the only reason you would need to put another layer on is if the doll still looked shiny. Okay, so you need your cosmetic wedge to apply it. I don't have a doll here to show you, but you apply it to the cosmetic wedge first, like so. And you pounce it. I wish you can see it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it makes a shh, shh kind of a sound. Now, this will get saturated after a while, and it will not give you that sticky pulling away sound. You have to change your cosmetic wedge frequently. You have to wash your brush that you're working with frequently because your brush will get caked with the medium, and it will lay on top of the vinyl. So you have to change your cosmetic wedge, you have to wash your brush, and you have to apply very thin layers with this to the vinyl. Let it dry for a day at least. And if it's still shiny, you do it again. This does not leave a smooth, slimy, silky texture on your doll. It leaves a texture. It leaves a semi-rough texture to your doll, which will make it easier for you to dress your doll. The clothes will slip over the vinyl and not get stuck to the vinyl. So I thought I would come on and show you, and you can use the outdoor sealer as the same as this. This product is not going to cause your vinyl on your doll, the paint, to crack, to chip, to flake if it's done properly. And I have done probably 70 dolls using this method. I'm using Genesis now, so I don't use this unless I have a rescue doll. I will use this. But this works perfectly fine. It never cracks and chips if you apply it thinly, correctly, take your time, and you won't have a problem. And so this is my way. This is just my way of how you do it. I'm going to make sure you're still seeing this. I hope you saw the whole thing, guys. But it works for me. It's worked for me for probably since 2015 or 16 is, I think, when I started using the air dry paints. And then I went back to Genesis, but it works perfectly fine. You won't have any trouble with your vinyl. But once again, technique means everything. Yes. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. I really appreciate your watching, your commenting, your interacting with me. It means a lot to me. My channel has received a lot of new subscribers, and if you want to try your hand at air dry painting, I'm here to answer any and all of your questions. And I've been painting since 2012 and have had great success. I've never ruined a doll, never had a doll ruined, and so I think I have some stuff to share with you guys. Bye now. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.